pro tell you. Its compact body can make your desktop more neat and tidy. The body is made of textured plastic body and acrylic plate, which is more thin and portable. Despite the small size, it still has a variety of interfaces. Choose what you need. With Intel Celeron processor J4105, there is a cooling fan for accelerated heat dissipation. Optional DDR4 memory, low power consumption, longer battery life. Small body with the same freedom to expand the HDD. It consists of plastic body, heat insulation board and acrylic board, etc. It is a combination of technology and art. Support 4K definition output. Dual screen display, work more efficiently.
When the limitations of space and size restrict your creativity, open up a world of possibilities with innovative design. Introducing the Lenovo ThinkStation P360 Ultra. A revolutionary form factor designed without compromise for optimal space usage and ultimate flexibility. Unimaginable performance with blazingly fast 12th-gen Intel Core processors. And next-level NVIDIA RTX professional graphics. Delivering a more versatile system to meet your workflow needs. In a world where bigger is often perceived as better, we redefine the power of small.